Hey guys, my name is Ricky, and for the past 6 months I've been using KINO Collagen, and I'm going to tell you why I love it and why I think you should use it too. So stick around till the end because I'm also going to include an awesome KINO Collagen recipe. Alright. Okay, so there is awesome research showing the benefits of supplementing with collagen, like clearer skin, better gut health, controls hunger, which makes it easier sticking to your diet. When I have collagen, I feel much fuller throughout the day. Also better muscle recovery, better joint health, less joint pain. And the main reason why I love using KINO Collagen is because I love baking with it. And today I'm going to show you an awesome new recipe from the KINO Collagen recipe cookbook that only takes 3 minutes and about 5 minutes to prepare. So let's get started. Okay, so this is everything we're going to be needing for this recipe. We're going to use a scoop and a half of the KINO Collagen, a teaspoon of baking powder, 6 tablespoons or 30 grams of Hershey's cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. And for the wet ingredients, we're going to need 2 eggs and about half a cup of water. Not about, we're going to use half a cup of water. Okay, so we're going to start by cracking and whisking the eggs. Okay, so in this case, we're using the KINO blueberry muffin, but you could also substitute for the mocha collagen if you have it, but it works well with both. Okay, I have all the dry ingredients already prepared. I'm just going to pour that in. We're going to start mixing this. Also, if you like it sweeter, you could add a tablespoon of agave or some stevia. Okay, so here it's a bit dry, so now we can start adding in the water. Okay, so it looks good. This is the consistency that you want to look for. Okay, so now we're going to pop this in the microwave for 2.5 to 3 minutes, okay? Okay, so there it is. So I did 2 minutes in the microwave, and then I took it out, and then I did it another 50 seconds. It's perfect like that. Look how big it is. It fills up the full bowl. Okay, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. The total number of calories for this cake. In this case, I just put 4 strawberries, so you're looking at a full, huge cake under 500 calories. So it's really good. Macros are really good, and it tastes amazing. You're gonna love it. Try it out. Let me know. Tag me on Instagram. Okay, so if you haven't picked up your bottle of the KINO Collagen, the link will be down in the description. So go pick it up today so we can start making these awesome recipes together. All right, guys, see you next time.